Welcome back to the channel. Here's the motor that finally came in the mail. The F130 for the RC four-wheel drive. I got it for free, which is, it's actually like a $28 upgrade. But look at the size difference first off before I change it here. It's double, maybe triple. See, that's an N30. This is F130, whatever the number means, but it's quite bigger, right? But anyhow, I'm gonna get to the repair. I don't know if I'm gonna talk during it or if I just do a voiceover, but anyhow, it should be pretty self-explanatory. Just a couple bolts down here, because it's got the whole transmission. See how much bigger the transmission is also than this one. This is gonna make it. I don't know if it's. I don't care about the speed, but it's gonna make it a lot more torque. It's gonna be amazing. Okay, so I've already gotten out these 4 screws through the frame right here. Now I'm gonna undo these 4 link bars, which is maybe like a ½ millimeter down head.
That includes returning your daughter to this facility no later than 5 p.m. today. What? I've got to keep her that long? I'm going to have her back by 4:30. Good luck.
Never really did a video of kind of working on. Oh, I guess I did my revo, but I find that probably get more views out of me just driving around. I'm not that thorough as to tell what to do, because I'm not no genius at this or nothing.
Oh, yeah.
I got those all released. And now what's crazy is, let's see if I can get a good, turn the light on. What holds these drive shafts on, you see that thing right there? That's all that is a rubber seal. And there's a pin underneath it, so I'm gonna stretch that off.
Why would you say something like that? Wrote a note saying that you did.
Oh wow.
Your sister bashed her to death.
Oh, well. Well, that works too. I just pulled out the other side of the drive shaft, so now I can get a better view of what it is. Alright, see, I already had this one pulled back. See, there's just that pin right there, and what comes in the bag is like a thing that you take out your SIM card with. Hang on here, let me get her out the bag.
Fuck off, Allie. Why the fuck should I? Who's talking to? Himself. Oh shit.
Oh my. This thing right here. And then all I do is push. I think I'm getting on camera, but just push this thing out. Oh, kind of difficult.
Oh yeah, just a vodka and orange towel. No, just AJ.
Oh. Okay.
I'm off the kiss. Yeah, right. Since when? 6 months ago?
Got it.
That's
how it goes.
What is all this shit? Shit is my business. I mean, selling stuff.
Okay, now on to this one.
Handbags, electrics, glassware, jewelry.
And it came with the extra rubber grommet, or rubber, whatever you want to call them. Rubber, whatever, you know what I'm talking about.
Baby formula. I get it
Just little seals, rubber. I don't know why I can't think of the name of it.
That's a fucking license to print money, mate.
But oh well. I'm sure you understand what I'm saying.
I started going to AA, down the church. Yeah. I got off the group.
I wonder if I need to push it through by... Oh, I said that. What if I... Oh, maybe. I don't know.
No, I got Fev. You really said? I swear on Jesus.
There we go.
Fev.
Got that one. So now this whole piece is out. And now all I gotta do is do it back to this much, much larger one. Look at this. Look at this difference. Wow.
You're gonna kill me to shut me up like
I'm
you
really
killed
hoping
Drago?
my TV in the background isn't as loud. I'm watching a show on Netflix while recording this. Probably shouldn't be, but
And the truth about that night.
it's a good show. Start out by getting these axles on. Gosh. May have to go get pliers, not even gonna lie. That's kinda hard to get. Gosh. That's kinda hard to get in.
Phil? Phil's bloody so compared to him.
Okay, I got it in with pushing it with my screwdriver.
No, I took that in. Yeah, Trev had issues. You reckon? No, I never had much luck with the blokes, did I? Especially your father. You got his genes. Well, he must have been a real spunk then, eh? So, what are we going to do today? We're going to go to the pub or what? I told you I'm off the grog. Yeah, I don't believe you. Suit yourself. So I got a shitload of stuff I need to box up. It's got to go out in the post today.
Oh,
Can't
wow.
wait till tomorrow because it's likely one.
These things are kind of tedious to put in.
In fact, you can get off your lazy fat ass and come and give us a hand. Come on.
Cameron, do me a favor.
Yes. Alright, now both are added, and I'll add the 4 screws to the frame and 4 link bars, and then I'll do a little bit of a test drive with this. I didn't do it before and after. Oh well, just know that this is gonna be better, and believe me. Sorry. Okay, so thankfully my daughter's room is dirty. I get to use it as a little crawling area. So far I've noticed this doesn't have much more top speed, which really don't matter, you know. But the low down modulation is amazing. So amazing. Come on, you got it. You got it. You can definitely tell I could break an axle now by doing this. With this much more torque. Oh yeah, for sure. Sounds cool. That honestly reminds me of like the sound of a little low hum of a diesel, not gonna lie. And right now it's dark and cold out, so I'm choosing the driving side. Tomorrow I'll definitely take it out on this little rock pile that I got out by my house and show you it on the racks. Much cooler to watch. Well, it's still gonna be in the same video, but yeah, sweetheart. Just driving on your toys. And that's it for crawling in my daughter's bedroom. Once it's daylight, I'll put her on the rocks and you can see it. But this is what it looks like on the inside installed. Ginormous, brother. Ginormous. Absolutely amazing. But it was so easy. It's just these two screws, these two, those two, of course the pins, and then those two, and those two. That's all it was. So easy. Cost me absolutely nothing. It cost me the price of the truck, of course. So now I have 2 motors, 2 transmissions, 1 upgraded, of course. Oh, there's top speed also. I'll show you that here in the hallway. There's top speed. Faster than walking speed. So that's nice when you're in the trails. Because before it was kind of slow trying to follow it. Yeah, baby. Oh, wow. You want to say hi? Say hi. Thank you. You like my new truck? Woo. That's all for now. Okay, here it is on rocks. Oh yeah. Look how sweet that looks. It's not like no super rock crawling or nothing, but just look at it. Since it's just a little basic trail truck, fucking sweet, or freaking sweet. Sweet language. Cut that out. Oh yeah. Cameras never get the good slope of it, but this is a pretty good slope. Look how nice and slow I can crawl. Oh yeah. Oh, this new motor is sweet. So much better, because that smaller one kinda, you'd have to almost make it half throttle if you get good power out of it, and it wouldn't have like no low range at all. Now it actually has a very good sensitive low range. As soon as you touch that throttle, you got power. Oh. God, this thing is so sweet. I'm not the crawler type, but this is fun. And it's just fun inside, especially with having a little baby that has toys all over the floor. You just crawl all over them. It's kind of fun. Alright, let's get out of this rock and go in some leaves and dirt. Oh, we're stuck deep. Oh my god, so much more extra power out of it. It looks so realistic too in scale, besides the ginormous leaves. Oh, here's a nice big old boulder we can run over. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that flex. Actually, none at all. The tire's above the ground. No flex, but need bigger shocks for that one. Oh, so sweet. This is nice top speed. It's faster than walking speed, so if I want to get moved to another spot, it's just like, yep.
You know what? Johnny put these fucking kind of lights all over everything.
Well, it's dark out and it's getting cold. I think this is gonna be it for the video. If you like the little mini crawler, like it, comment that you want to watch more. And
They go
subscribe.
top.
Don't do that.